All right, to hand in your vector file as an SVG file from Adobe Illustrator, here's how you do it. It's super, super easy. You choose File. First, you should just save it. So you've saved it already. Just save it again in case it crashes while it's exporting as an SVG file. You don't want to lose all your hard work. Probably won't crash, but just in case. Now we just do this, File, and Save As. By default, Adobe Illustrator saves as an Adobe Illustrator file, but if we click that box, it gives us other options. And the one we're going to choose is this SVG. Okay? If you become a graphic designer one day, people might want things in SVG form. They might also want them in ESP form, which is another vector graphic type of file. I'm going to say SVG. I called mine Strawberry, and I'm going to put it on my Google Drive again. Although just for this demo, I'm going to throw it on my desktop. And I'm going to say Save. And it gives me a bunch of options. I'm just going to say OK. It makes it, it's saved, and we're good. At this point, though, super important. You'll notice how it says strawberry.svg up there now. I'm going to close it, and then I'm going to open back up my strawberry.ai file, just in case I'm working on stuff still, or whatever. Okay? Make sense? That's how you do it.